Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Imran Moinuddin with NexDegree, and this is our presentation for the proposed vProtect product whose goal is to contribute, inform and protect. We all know Karachi as the city of lights, and it's given us a lot of memories. It means a lot to especially those who grew up here. But generally when things get bad, it's fairly apparent. They get pretty bad. You're talking about blazes, you've got a lot of senseless killing, riots, and arson. Unfortunately, they all come in the package. Unfortunately, based on the current situation as far as law enforcement is concerned, things that don't seem to help much either are this. You've got police napping on the job, bribery, laziness, and unfortunately an issue of simple respect for our law enforcement. So what do common citizens like ourselves do? How do we go ahead and protect ourselves given this sort of an issue? Short of obviously carrying a gun, which we all know there are plenty of these already on the streets of Karachi. This is where our solution steps in, that is vProtect, which offers a crowdsourced protection solution, namely by providing collaboration and meaningful information to the masses from the masses. And the motto is simple, that is protection by the people and for the people. That is the whole principle as far as our crowdsourced model is concerned. Now, to tell you a little more about the product itself, our goal as far as the product is concerned was to keep something that was like a Google Maps meet Facebook. That is, users can see what's happening on a map in real time or near real time, and the ability to report or manage incidents, which we'll get to shortly. It also features scanning of news feeds and Twitter feeds, which shows key certain elements or risks that might be trending across the city, and subsequently translating that information onto a map, in this case Google Map. On the analytics side, since we're looking to collect a wealth of information, we'd offer a host of graphs to show trends across different sections in Karachi, along with the ability to look back on historical records, especially by using our time scroller feature. And we also intend to extend our model to predictive analytics, which is we're going to hope to correlate certain incidents to certain news events and national occurrences. Other things include things such as alerts, notifying people when they should be, and the more important aspect of the system would be the crowdsourced research aspect, whereby people can chime in and report incidents, form teams to investigate certain events that might have happened across the city, and to work together as a team to identify trends that they might be noticing by having secure discussions and by sharing the right kind of content. And obviously, as a site, it will be important for us to recognize such efforts made by such teams. So who would use the site? A person who's about to head out to a wedding, a college student that looks to make a difference, an office staff looking for a safe route home, and maybe law enforcement wanting to get a sense of the public vibe. How does this all help? That is, how does the impact really play in? That is, we're talking about heightened capability to protect lives and property. We've not seen enough of this. Efficient dissemination of key security information to the public, raising accountability of law enforcement, which is a major one for us, and the potential to extend to other cities. How well equipped are we? We've got a good background in open source. We've worked with crawling technologies and in solid state search engines. We've worked with data warehousing, and we have a very strong belief and passion in the idea. We want to do this one way or another, regardless of what turns out. 10 things we'll take care of. We'll form an advisory committee. We'll want to figure out the exact features, a clear project plan, engaging CPLC potentially in the telecom sector, having secure hosting, and secure ourselves for some solid operational funding once the site goes live and has been a few months in operation, and start extending this passion to both our friends as well as the general public about the possibilities that this presents. So anyhow, that is bringing us towards the end of our presentation. I feel that it's important to be that change, that it's important to protect ourselves, if anything at all. We owe it to our fellow countrymen and citizens, as well as to ourselves to protect, and really hope that we can restore this country's security situation to where it really should be. Anyways, this is Imran Moinuddin again with Team NexDegree. Thank you for your time and listening.